Before the pandemic, Clear was best known for letting travelers skip lines at the airport. Now they're focusing on a new HealthPass, coming in at number 19 on this year's Disruptor 50 list. Julia joins us with the CEO. Julia, over to you.
Thanks, Deirdre. I'm joined now by Karen Seidman-Becker, the CEO of Clear. Karen, thanks so much for talking to us today. I want to start off with a real transformation of your company over the past year, from being about travel to now also really being about health. Tell us, what is HealthPass and how has HealthPass evolved over the past year?
So great to be here today. Thanks, Julia. And Clear's mission has always been about making experiences safer and easier and, connecting you to the cards in your wallet. What we realized in March of 2020 was that there was going to be a new card in your wallet, and that was a vaccine card or test results. And so connecting you to your health insights that are COVID related was just always part of our mission and what we were doing, right aligned with it. And so that is exactly what we've done, which is we have connected identity on the phone to your COVID related health insights. And we are helping people get back to what they love and partnering with so many different businesses and industries that it has been incredibly exciting and empowering to really help businesses and the economy reopen.
So, Karen, before the pandemic, Clear was really something that was a consumer product. I would sign up for Clear to ease my business travel. Maybe I would get a deal, a discount through a Delta or a United. But this is really different because you're offering HealthPass to employers. How are you figuring out which types of employers are best suited for this service, and what's the business model there?
So we're offering it to employers, but quite frankly, we're offering it to consumers as well for free to connect their, health insights to their Clear Health Pass. So we're partnered with Walmart, if you're vaccinated at Walmart, to connect, but we're also partnered with the NBA to help people get back into the stadiums or, offices to help them reopen. And so quite frankly, this is a ubiquitous problem, making experiences safer and easier, reopening your businesses and giving people the confidence to get back to what they love, and hoping you loved your work before, right? And so it's really ubiquitous, it's global, and it's a here and now issue. And so it's not really just us reaching out, it's that we've built a brand that stands for trust and delighting customers. And so people have reached out to us to be part of the solution.
So, Karen, I have to ask you about two areas of hesitancy. One is vaccine hesitancy, which we've talked about on our show before. Yes, we've now reached over 50% of adults in the U.S. vaccinated, but there is still some vaccine hesitancy. And there's also historically been some concern about privacy, especially when it comes to health. Do you think there's going to be reluctance among people here in this country to participate in something like a vaccine passport because of those issues?
So I think a really important point, and when we named this last March, we named it HealthPass, right? Actually, only 40% of Americans have passports. So we are not talking about a vaccine passport. What we are talking about is giving people control and access to their healthcare information, which was something that was happening before. So many trends were accelerated in 2020, and we see this as a material and, sustaining trend that people should have access and control of their information. We think trust is crucial, and we are, huge zealots on we do not sell and share information, that people should control their information. And we actually think that you can do both. You can help reopen by saying that I'm Karen without sharing the information and just showing green. And so I think it's really important to drive the point of opting in and trust and people participating, as they see fit and protecting that privacy. I think that's the only way you can move something like this forward. And we so strongly believe in the and. It's not frictionless or trusted, it's and.
And just a quick point of clarification on the business model of HealthPass. Employers are paying you. How does that work?
That is correct. So our partners would pay us so that it is free to all consumers or employees.